and good afternoon. Nick's Pinball Chronicles channel. I was going to share with you, I got some good stuff in the mail today. I was going to do a live unboxing. So, my speakers came today from Fidelity. And we're going to open it together. See what we got. I'm going to install these tonight probably, because unfortunately the soundboard, the shipping got delayed, so I won't get it till tomorrow. So I will see, do a little bit of experimenting because, oh wow, they did give me a harness. Nice. Very cool. I don't know if this will work with the new soundboard, but we'll try it. All right, let's see. Oh, I didn't know it came with adapters. So this is the 8-inch adapter for the woofer. And this should be for the one in the back box, the tweeter. It has to go to a 5 1/4. And I didn't know that they gave me extra speaker adapters that came with it. I did not know, so I ordered them by accident. All right, let's see what we got here. See the quality of these speakers. This is probably the woofer. Let's take a look. Static clean. All the peanuts are sticking to me. Let's see what we got here. Be careful cutting open the box. Oh, nice. Look at this bad boy. Sweet. Very cool. Chrome. This thing's gonna sound sweet. So that's how it will go in the box. I take the 6-inch out and put this in place of the 6-inch speaker. And then take this speaker and go like that. That's how it would be for the adapter. So that's going to be nice, having that. That's cool. Let's take a look at the smaller ones. Again, I'm hoping these will fit in the upper back box. Because like I was saying in the previous video, there's only 4 or 5 games that had this type of speaker setup in the top part of the game, the cabinet. Black Rose, Party Zone, Elvira and the Party Monsters, and Dr. Dude, I think, were the only 4 that had them with the speaker box in the upper part of the cabinet, not in the lower. These are nice too. These are the 5 1/4. Sweet. They give me 2 of these. And I'll see if I can put them in tonight. And we'll take it from there. So another thing I got, because I got my my DMD a couple of weeks ago with a clock display. So I got a clock controlled DMD right now. I bought panels, and this is the the mount so I can put it all in a kit. It's cool. It's got all the hardware. It's got the instructions for assembly. It's got the 2 pieces of smoked Lexan. It's got the LED display assembly kit, assembly instructions, which is cool. And the hardware. So I'll be able to mount everything inside this enclosure. So you can put it on, you can hang it on a wall, you can put it on a shelf. There's all the hardware. Looks like everything's accounted for. And I will post a video of that together. Let me look at this. If they give me a harness already, that's beautiful, because I'm not sure. There's the hardware for the mounting for the speakers. And my wife just came home. Flipper Fidelity Williams PC89 speaker instructions. Machine prep. See, this is for the speaker panel on the bottom. So we'll see. Yeah, see, this is a cable for PINSOUND. So I can wire these up in the cabinet once I get the soundboard. So I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Part 2 coming up. And I'm back at the machine. I didn't record the actual installation because I had a little bit of modifying to do and I didn't get a chance to grab my phone, but I'll show you the speaker layout. Fairly straightforward. Flipper Fidelity actually shipped me the 2.1 harness for the new soundboard. So I took the stock speakers out. Had to add an adapter on this one because this one was a tweeter. Now it's a mid and tweeter. 5 1/4. 5 1/4 over here. And an 8-inch sub in the cabinet. I'll show you in a second. Let me open up the back box. I'll show you what I did. Okay. Again, it's pretty straightforward. I didn't need the pop eliminator anymore, so I removed that. Basically what I did was I didn't remove it, but I took the 2 speaker wires that were going into the board coming from the pop eliminator. Again, it was the stock speakers were wired in series, so I just removed those, just tucked them away. I didn't remove them from the cabinet in case I ever want to go back to stock, but I did. You can see up here. Flipper Fidelity. And another 5 1/4 Flipper Fidelity. And again, they gave me which was nice, they gave me the 2.1 harness that plugs into the new soundboard. And I wired it up to left and right up here. And I ran it down to the cabinet to the 8-inch woofer. Fairly simple, and again, it was straightforward. So tomorrow, when I get the new soundboard, this board here is coming out. 4 screws, Got 4 mounting screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws. Don't take them out, just take them loose and the board will slide up and out. I gotta unplug this ribbon cable, this connector here, this connector here, and then the new soundboard plug will plug into here. The port will be right here with the new board. I'll show you when I get it. And it's plug and play. Load my USB stick is going to be a USB port up top. I already got the Black Rose custom sounds already loaded into the USB stick, and should be a matter of just powering it up and letting the sound card boot. Takes about maybe 5 minutes for the USB to upload to the board, and I should be able to play right away. So looking forward to it tomorrow. It's pretty cool. I don't want to open up the whole play field, but I'll show you the woofer. Nice chrome 8-inch woofer. I can't wait to hear this thing. It's gonna sound like a movie soundtrack. It's gonna be cool. So to be continued. I'm done for the night. Close it back up. And that's all, folks, for tonight. As soon as I get the board tomorrow after work, I'll put it in and fire it up. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be cool. I'll show you all the different features that tie in with the test buttons behind the coin door with the volume. You can actually change soundtracks on the fly. If you have more than one loaded into the stick, that all those folders will load onto the board, and you hit your down volume until you hit 0. Then you'll hear the board do this special beep, and it'll go to the next series of sound effects and soundtrack. So if you have 4 different tracks for the same game, you can actually, on the fly, switch them, which is pretty cool. I can't wait. It's going to be cool. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. And happy Friday. Nick's Pinball Chronicles channel. Some great news. My package came in. I just have to go download the update for the board and put it on the USB stick. Go to products, sound. Actually, I go to support. Let's see. I believe it's support. Support. Sound. PINSOUND Neo. Firmware. And it's just updated. Open the file, copy it, go to my USB drive, paste it, and we should be good. Let me eject it, close this out. Eject, remove. Laptop can go on the side. Oh, everything's falling. And let me go grab the package. Here it is, all in its glory. And I'll do an unboxing like I did with the speakers. This package, believe it or not, came from France. It came a long way. Let's see what I get here. I'm opening it like you guys. Welcome. Excited to welcome you to the PINSOUND family. French candy. Fancy. Catalog. They give you the 2.0 wiring kit, but I don't need it because I already got it with my Fidelity speakers. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see. This is the manual for the wiring, which I don't have to worry about because I already have it installed. I can just put this, away. I'm not going to need it. Put it to the side. And let's get to the good stuff here. Here we go. The PINSOUND Neo. Quality check. This device has been carefully checked before dispatch. A little alcohol wipe, a little stick-on standoffs in case I need it, and the board and instructions. Let's see if I'm actually going to need the feet. Open up the back box. Let's see what I got in here. And please update your PINSOUND board with the latest firmware. I already got it. I just downloaded it. That's really cool the way they do this. PINSOUND brothers. Nothing fancy. Very good. So let me grab my light. I'll be right back. And we're back. Okay. Now comes the easy part. Unplug this ribbon cable. Take this off. Unplug this guy. Unplug this guy. Unplug this guy. Obviously power's off on the machine. And remove the board. Again, you just have to loosen the screws. You don't have to take them completely out because the board slides up and out. Very, very easy. And I think I'm going to have to use the standoffs, but we'll see. And out comes the old. And in comes the new. And yes, I'm going to need the standoffs, which is let's see. Clean and stick. Yep, I'm going to need the feet, which is right here. Pretty easy to do, 4 screws and 4 mounts. Pretty simple. Just turn the board over. And put these there so I don't lose them. And you got the little mounting feet. Oops. Let's see if I can get this. These are tiny screws. So let's see if I can get them. I didn't realize these screws are so small. They are. They should just thread right on. And again, you have 4 of these feet. Probably better off if I screw it from the top. Let's see if I can do this right. It's hard to do it and hold it at the same time. Again, these screws are really tiny. Of course. It's really hard to hold the board in place as you're screwing these in, but eventually they go in. Okay, there's one. There's 2. It's pretty ingenious, this board that these guys invented. Pretty cool. Again, I can't wait to how this thing sounds. It's going to be freaking cool. There goes number 3. And number 4. So this board will mount like this, with plenty of space between. Tighten these down so they don't get in the way. Actually, I'm not going to need them, so I might as well just I'll leave them in there. Screw these all the way down. And give you a little alcohol wipe so you can clean the metal so it'll stick easier. It's really not a good place. I mean, this is the easiest place to put it right there. So, take a little alcohol wipe. Clean over here. Over here, over here, and over here. All that junk. I guess so this thing will stick better. This stuff doesn't take long to evaporate. And just peel these up here. I don't have nails, so I need something that I can get underneath to peel the paper off. I already had the stick loaded with the sounds. Let's just see how this goes. I'm doing this install in real time, so you guys are seeing it as I'm installing it and powering it up for the first time. So let's see what we got going here. Okay. This box can go bye-bye. These screws, screwdriver, I'm not gonna need that stuff. And let me mount the board. It plugs into here. This plugs into here. This is the new speaker wires. They make it pretty easy. That goes there. And put my stick in. And plug the ribbon cables back in. Now I'm going to need to cut these because that is orientated the wrong way. But I was expecting that. Stand by, I'll be right back. For some reason, the indexing mark on these ribbon cables is in the wrong spot. Because according to the manual, the red stripe goes on the top. And they make it easier because they actually enclose all the new boards have enclosed data ports, which is nice. And we are ready to go. Let's see what she's got. Let me take all these off. Take this off. Moment of truth. Let me take this off. A moment of truth. go. Everything's plugged in. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see what she's got. It's booting.
The system is currently updating. Please wait. The system is currently updating. Please wait.
That's hilarious. Updates the firmware.
The system is now updated.
That's so cool.
Restart the pinball machine now. Please restart the pinball machine now. Please restart the pinball machine now.
It walks you through the whole thing. It's telling me to restart, so I'm going to power down. Power it back up. It walks you through the whole thing. There's voice prompts. It's so cool. And the board's initiating. It's green. Probably takes a couple seconds to load. Still waiting. There it is. We are loaded. That was pretty quick. Now, let's hear it. Let's see what we got. That's the original. Now if you go down to 0, it's loading again. It's loading the next data set probably. It's got to load it. I'm sure it's loading. Don't get used to this thing.
We're rascals, scoundrels, villains, and knaves, the company hearts go home. We're never forgotten, great man, and the company hearts go home. Yo, ho, yo, ho.
Oh my God, man. Swing from the rigging.
Wow. Wow.
Now, George, let your aim be true. One better.
Freaking awesome. Wow. Amazing. Let me see. I want to start another game here.
Come aboard, matey.
Stock sounds.
March with those cannons, boys. One better. Trumps for broadside.
You can change it on the fly. Watch this. Change it on the fly. The pirate theme. That's cool. You hear the violins, it's so cool. Very cool.
The winds of Bill Black.
That's so cool. Let's see what else they have here. I know I got 3 or 4 of them on here. It's like awesome. Fucking awesome. Let's try it again. Let me close the door this time.
Come aboard, matey. Let your aim be true. One letter.
That's cool. Ta-dum. Amazing. Wow. What a difference. Even the sound effects are different too. The swords, the cannon blasts. Awesome. It goes into different music when you, that's cool. Amazing. What? That's so cool. Amazing.
With those cannons, boys.
Very, very cool. Amazing. Very cool. Let's see what else is on here. That's the stock music. Let's see what this one does. This one does nothing. That must be just a sound file. Oh, I gotta turn out the volume. Yeah, this is all enhanced factory sound.
Swing from the rigging. Shoot for broadside.
Very cool. So it's been 30 minutes already. I'll be really quick. Here it is. Boom.
Beautiful.
Awesome. Very cool. See what this one is.
Send me a ship.
Yes. What is this, Conan the Destroyer? Very cool.
We've a treasure to win.
It's like a little, it's like an enhanced factory. That changes tracks. This one's my favorite one.
Look smart with those cannons, boys. The wind of Bill Black.
Very cool. Last ball. Dude, I recommend this soundboard to anybody. It's amazing.
Now's your chance.
Pirates of the Caribbean. So cool. Awesome. Depending on what type of event you trigger, different sounds will come up. Boom. That's so cool. I highly, highly recommend this board. Amazing. Listen to that. Very cool. Thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate it. Sorry it went a little long, but as advertised, perfect. I love it. Thanks. Have a great afternoon. I just wanted to make another video after playing it for 15-20 minutes. I want to thank PINSOUND because it makes the game a completely 100% different playing experience. Absolutely amazing. Very nice job, folks at PINSOUND. You guys are great. If I ever got another game with sound enhancements, I would definitely get that. Absolutely 100%. And this isn't even the board with all the bells and whistles. This is the bottom end of the boards. And it's freaking amazing, man. Just like I figured it would be. Easy to install, easy to load. Awesome. Highly recommend PINSOUND. Top notch.